Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to manage projects with monday.com. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to monday.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your main monday.com dashboard where you can access all your workspace features and start managing your projects efficiently. Now look over at the left panel of your screen. You'll see a plus icon there. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Template Center. This is where monday.com stores pre-built templates that can save you tons of time instead of building everything from scratch. The Template Center is packed with professionally designed boards for different use cases, so it's worth exploring. Once you're in the Template Center, direct your attention to the top search bar, click on it, and type Project Management. This will filter the results to show you templates specifically designed for managing projects, which is exactly what we need. monday.com will instantly display various project management templates that you can browse through. From the search results, click on the template that best fits your project needs. Take a moment to review the layout and features to make sure it aligns with what you're looking for. Each template is structured differently, so choosing the right one up front will make your workflow smoother. After selecting your template, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click Use Template. This action will import the template into your workspace. Using a template like this significantly reduces the time it would take to create a project board manually from scratch. Now wait for a few seconds while monday.com creates your board. The system is setting up all the columns, groups, and default settings based on the template you chose. Once your board is ready, you'll notice you can edit various elements like the status, timeline, priority, and owner columns. These are fully customizable, so feel free to adjust them according to your project requirements. This flexibility is one of the reasons monday.com is so powerful for project management. If you want to connect your other boards to this one, click the plus icon on the right side of your board. From the menu that appears, select Connect Boards. This feature allows you to link multiple boards together, which is incredibly useful when you're managing complex projects that span across different teams or departments. After clicking Connect Boards, you'll see an option that says Select Boards. Click on it to proceed. This will open a list of all your available boards within your workspace. Go ahead and select the boards you want to connect by checking the box beside each one. Once you've made your selections, click Connect Boards to finalize the connection. Next, click Create Mirror Columns. This feature lets you pull in data from the connected boards directly into your current board, so you can see all relevant information in one place without switching between different views. It's a great way to keep everything centralized and easy to monitor. Finally, in the top menu, click the plus icon and select your preferred board views. For instance, you can click Chart to visualize your project data in a graphical format. monday.com offers multiple view options like Kanban, Calendar, Timeline, and more, so you can choose the one that best suits how you like to track progress. And that's it. You've successfully set up a project management board on monday.com using templates and connected it with other boards for better organization. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.